Hello from Slovenia again. I have some paints to use up, so I will just do a split cup. Today I will do 3 chambers, and I have some reds, yellows, gold, greens and some black, and I will just go for it, and I will pour some of this red and magenta. This is carmine red, magenta. No, it was cadmium. This is carmine. I will add a little black in between, just to maybe have some darker shade of, I don't know, some contrast in between. We will see. Carmine. Black. And for these greens I have a lot of green and less of this greenish blue that I will just dirty pour in. And some black. And this is Aqua Flash. Up. Don't have enough of this greens, so I will just add a little of this lemon yellow in there. It will create green anyway. And let's do it here. And some gold. And there is a yellow deep. I don't know how this will look like. Really don't. But we will see. Okie doke. So let's see. I like that a lot. So we'll pour some black around just for a flow extender. Oop. Party breaker. Like that. This is kind of unusual color palette for me, but I see a lot of, you know, parts that they will add a little bit to this. It's not just red, it has a gradients of color, and see, and some blue in there too. So yeah, I will definitely leave this one to dry. So wait for the dried results. So here she is dry and I love it. I really like those colors together. I know that maybe some of you will find them weird, or I don't know, but I really like how this turned out. It's kind of I don't know, I just love it. I love how these reds here kind of glows and a little darker there, like this. I don't know, I see it as a weeds, or I don't know, but I really like it. So yeah, I'm happy with it. Yeah, I made a community post yesterday. If you want me to talk about something particular in my videos, please ask your questions. I already got some questions that I will do a video dedicated to it. You know, if it's a question that needs a little more explanation, not just a straightforward answer. So we have a question about cracking, and I will start doing those videos next week. Probably it will be one video a week just for those questions. So go to community tab if you have a question, and write it down, and I will try to explain in the video. Thanks for being here. Check my community tab and see you again on the next one. Bye!